Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Cooking with Chef Frank. Today we are going to Italy. And what better way to celebrate Italy than with pizza? Pizza we're going to do today is Napolitana or Neapolitan style. Now, I've been working on a particular dough recipe for the past 6 to 8 months and I had a lot of failures. And finally, I think I've nailed it because just yesterday I cooked it at the college, my training college where I work. I cooked for the staff and students and everyone just loved it, raved about it. The next day, reheated in the microwave, still came out perfect. I thought, okay, this is ready. I have to share this recipe with my followers. So, there's 2 types of Napolitana style recipes. You got the one where you ferment in the fridge, okay, with very little yeast, ferment slowly. My one actually has Poolish. Poolish is basically a pre-start or pre-fermentation. Now, recipe I have is the night before, mix 200 grams of baker's flour. I use Caputo flour, which is excellent pizza flour. It's actually from Napoli or Naples. 200 gram 00 flour or baker's flour, 200 grams of cold water from the tap, 7 grams of dry yeast, or about 15 grams of fresh yeast. And to that I add 7 grams of honey. Why honey? Because it's natural sweetener, okay? So then you put into either a glass vessel or into a stainless steel vessel and then you wrap it up, you keep it in the fridge overnight. You do it before you sleep. It only needs 8 to 10 hours in the fridge and the next day you'll see it all bubbled up and it's activated, okay? To that, we add that to our mixer bowl. To the mixer bowl, we add 400 mils of cold water from the tap and we dissolve it. Okay, we mix it until it's dissolved. And then we add another 650 grams of baker's flour or 00 flour or Caputo flour, which I have used. And then when it forms a shape, we add the salt last, not in the beginning. We always add the salt last, okay? Otherwise, it hinders the growth of the yeast. And once it's all combined, let it work for about good about 5 to 10 minutes. Empty it out onto a bench, stainless steel, marble, granite, whatever bench you have. A little bit of oil first, empty it out, and then just pick it up, oil on your hands. Just pick it up, just hang. Pick it up from the other side, pick it up from the other side, let it hang until you form a nice circle, a bit more smooth, and then all you do is just cover it. Walk away. 45 minutes later, once it's settled, a bit more oil in your hands, okay, pick it up again, shape it, and then get a kitchen scale, weigh each portion out to 280 grams, okay? You can do 250, 260, 270, 280. The reason why 280 is because that's the standard pizza sizes, okay? And with that recipe, you will get 5 equal 280 gram portions, okay? And then place it into a container, like the one I have, something similar. If you don't have this, into a baking tray, bit of semolina on the bottom, okay? Wrap it up, let it wait. Depending on the weather, depending on the environment, it needs to wait anywhere from 1 hour to 3 hours, okay? As long as it's doubled in size, it's ready. And the finished product is what we have here. Let's start. Okay, now our dough is ready with the sauce. The second most important part is the sauce. Keep it simple, stupid. Good quality Italian peeled tomato. Get a stick blender, blend it, or you can empty it into a cutting board and rough chop it. It's up to you. The main thing is keep it simple. Just a pinch of salt for seasoning and a little bit of sugar to balance the acidity of the tomato, okay? I normally add to my pizzas a little bit of pecorino, ground pecorino. It's not important, but I like to. A bit of fresh herbs, which I snip from the garden, and good quality cheese. This particular one is Fior di Latte. I have a contact pizza chef I buy off. If you can't find that, you can use Bocconcini, you can use buffalo mozzarella, you can use even the supermarket style mozzarella cheese, shredded mozzarella. But the quality of this is unbelievable. The cooked product actually is white, not creamy color, and they're less oily, not greasy, and a little bit of olive oil. So today we're gonna make margherita pizza. Let's start. This particular oven has been running for about 45-50 minutes. At the moment, it's probably about 450, 500 degrees, okay? So the pizza only takes anywhere from 60 seconds to 90 seconds. Okay, to pick up your dough, a little bit of semolina on your scraper. pick it up, upside down. Pick it up, turn it over again, and then we start about 2 centimeters from the outside in, and then press down away from you. Notice you're pushing the air out to the sides. Turn around, flip over. You do not need a rolling pin. On your hand, okay. Let's get our paddle. As you can see. Next goes the sauce. I like to put a bit of pecorino, just extra flavor. A bit of mixed herbs from the garden. The standard amount of cheese we normally use for a pizza about this size, about 80 grams, 75 to 80 grams. There's a saying, less is more. Less the better. Just a splash of olive oil. Okay, as you can see, it's not sticking. In it goes. Just the temperature. You're gonna need a peel. If you're using one of these ovens, you're gonna need a peel. What the peel does is, it's a turning peel. As it starts cooking, you need to rotate it so it cooks evenly. In an electric or a gas oven, you're not gonna need it, your standard home oven. Cooks very, very fast. You have to watch it, okay? It is extremely hot in there. That's it. Look at that. Cooked in no time. Can you hear that? Very, very light dough. Absolutely light. Okay, enjoy. I want to wrap up this series with something a little bit different. If you think you do, if there's a better way, or if you think you have a different recipe, or if you have different methods, please leave a comment in the comment section. And if, most important, if there's any particular dish you want me to cook or anything you want me to focus on, yeah, please, again, write in the comment section and we'll do our best to attend to your request. Enjoy and see you again next week. Thank you.